Hi, hello. Let me show you today how I fixed a broken plastic flange on a Peugeot 407. There are many plastic materials on nowadays cars, and although they are meant to be durable, light, after several years of working in harsh conditions and heat and moisture, they got busted, and it's pretty annoying seeing losing the coolant fluid. So my experience is to replace those plastic flanges, joints, fittings with a more durable material like brass, for instance, and then you make your car last for eternity. Yeah, so I know it's not really original, it's not up to date, it's not light, but yeah, it's very practical. Yeah, so after you fix all the engine cooling circuit, seal everything, then you fill in the cooling fluid and let it breathe on idle, and keep an eye after, let's say, 10-15 kilometers and top up again as the bubbles go out. So the car has been tested and it's dry, it's sealed, and I hope it's gonna last many more thousands of kilometers.